Are you looking for a home that blends luxury, location, and lifestyle? This is it. This is not your ordinary floor plan. Just steps from Sloan's Lake with stunning views of the Rockies, this isn't your typical half duplex. It's bigger, brighter, and smarter, designed to elevate your living experience. When you step into this home, you'll immediately notice the wider dimensions, the spacious rooms. Every inch of this home has been thoughtfully designed. I'm Amy Cesario, your realtor in Denver, Colorado, and this is my Denver view. This home has over 4,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. As you step into the chef's kitchen, you'll notice the quartz countertops, 2 dishwashers, 2 extra beverage refrigerators, a second sink. Because he's thought of everything, of course we have an appliance garage. And I love the 6-burner with the griddle signature range with 2 ovens, and then we've got 2 more ovens. And this one is a microwave, steamer, and a convection oven. A magnificent pantry, and this oversized refrigerator freezer by Signature. And it doesn't stop there. This home redefines indoor-outdoor living with 3 levels of indoor-outdoor seamless living. Enjoy your morning coffee in the sunshine, and in the evening, it's shady, perfect for a barbecue. The second level holds the primary suite. You are going to love waking up to these mountain views. The primary is light, bright, and spacious. The fireplace, it sets the ambiance at night. And oh my God, I can't wait to show you the closet. The closet. I love the closet. Have we talked about the closet? More than one person's clothes will fit in this closet. The primary bath is equally spectacular. The natural light, the freestanding tub, and of course, this builder wants to make sure that you have more than enough storage. And a stunning walk-in shower with a bench. The 12-foot sliders enhance the indoor-outdoor living from the primary suite. The second and third ensuite bedrooms also have closets with ample space. Also on the second floor, you'll find a laundry room and the secondary furnace for the second and third level. The third level is our version of a rooftop deck. We've got flex space here that could be for the Peloton. It could be an office. This is icing on the cake. The living space, the kitchenette, and let's step outside to the indoor-outdoor rooftop deck. The indoor-outdoor living spaces, I told you, they flow seamlessly. And on this third level, being heated and air conditioning, I promise you will use it year-round. Okay, downstairs, we've got a couple extra bonus spaces. We imagine this to be the workout room. You've got a sitting area, and just in case that closet in the primary room is not big enough, we've got you covered. And the 4th bedroom, it doesn't disappoint, and neither will the closet. And these aren't your typical builders. They do semi and custom homes all over Denver. They started over 30 years ago. They were the pioneers of changing the face of Cherry Creek. They've won tons of awards: Kitchen of the Year, Home of the Year, Sexiest Bedroom, just to name a few. Location: you're just a half a block away from Sloan's Lake, the largest body of water in Denver. Enjoy the best of city living with fantastic restaurants, a grocery store, and Target nearby. Downtown is only 10 minutes away, and in just 20 minutes, you could be in the mountains. With no HOA, low maintenance living, giving you the lock and leave lifestyle so you can live the way you want. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. I'm Amy Cesario, your realtor in Denver, Colorado. If you'd like to see this home in person, message me or give me a call, 303-995-3180. The closet.